So today we are going to discuss one of the important Power BI interview question, which is how to calculate last year sales. In the last year sales, we are calculating with the help of 5 different methods. Okay, we are calculating with same period last year function. We are calculating with the date add function. We are calculating with parallel period function. Okay, then previous year function. Okay, and then filter function. So one question we are able to solve in 5 different ways. Okay, so you can stay with me. I will show you step by step how to calculate last year sales in Power BI. Okay, so I will show you. Let's get back to my Power BI desktop. I've added a year slicer here. Okay, so first of all, we can calculate our last year sales with the help of same period last year function. Okay, so this is the, if you see, okay, what is my formula here? Calculate total sales. Same period last year is my function, and date is my table, and this is my column. Okay, this is how we can calculate last year sales using same period last year function. Okay, second, we can okay, same period last year we can use in multiple cases, like comparing current year to previous year, most commonly used in dashboards. Mostly we can use this function to calculate or demonstrate year over year analysis. Okay, secondly, we are using date add function. Okay, so this is the formula for date add function, which is mostly used in flexible timing shifting. Okay, it can be shifted by, so basically date add function shifts the time. Okay, year, month, quarter. It will help us to calculate a dynamic date. Okay, it will help us to calculate dynamic date calculations. Okay, so let's get back to my Power BI desktop again. Date add. Okay, so this is my date add function. Okay, last year sales using date add. So here is, I've added a calculate function, calculate a modifier basically. Calculate sum of cells. Okay, date add I have added here. We have shifted minus 1 year. Okay, so that's how we are calculate same period last year sales using date add function. Okay, third is my parallel period. Okay, we can calculate last year sales using parallel period also. Okay, so what is the formula? Calculate sum of cells. Okay, parallel period function minus 1 year. Parallel period is mostly used to compare parallel periods. It's mostly used in financial reporting. Okay, so fourth one is using previous year function. What is my formula? Calculate sum of sales amount, previous year function. Okay, it will automatically calculate the previous year sales. Okay, because we have put a date dimension here. Okay, so on the basis of that function, it will automatically calculate the last year sales or previous year sales. Okay, the last but not the least, we can calculate last year sales using filter function. So how it is working? Let's see. So calculate sum of cells. I have added a filter here. Okay, it will filter all the date table. Okay, and my date of year, right? This is my date table, and this is my year column from that particular date table, is equal to max of year minus 1. Okay, it's basically used to derive the custom logics, advanced scenarios. Okay, this is the most important question. Okay, in every Power BI interview, how to calculate a last year sales, and we are calculate last year sales using 5 different ways. Okay, so I'll show you now. So this is I have calculated with all the 5 ways, that is last year sales. Okay, so if I've selected 2014, if you see, this is all our last year sales, and my current year sales is 34,005,748. Okay, and this is my current year sales, this is my last year sales. Okay, so we can match. If you select 2013, right? Okay, this is my current year sales, and this is my last year sales. Agree? Correct. So if this video is helpful for you, so please stay tuned with Learn with Vivek. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Okay, and stay tuned with Learn with Vivek. Thank you.